Hi, welcome back to Ali Care, and this is your girl Thea. I'm here with the next exciting video, something that is beneficial for both ladies and male. And why I said it's beneficial, all of us have dark spots right betwixt our leg here, especially if we're fat and we chafe, and also if we have thick body, meaning fat, we will have dark spot, also bumps there, and there is a way how to get rid of it, and I'm here to show you. In 7 days I can guarantee you that you will see a big difference. I'm going to use copper, so this is colloidal ionic copper water, and I'm going to use hydrogen peroxide. These are some of the ingredients I'm going to use here: honey, nutmeg, rice powder, and I'm going to use cotton and this jar right here. So this is all the ingredients that you would need. And the honey, you know, honey is good for evening skin tone. You know that nutmeg is good to remove spots. Also rice powder is good to remove spot. And the copper, it's good to tone your skin also. You can drink it, or you can put it in your lotion, or you can just rub it on your body, and it's good to tone your skin, and our body need that. Okay, I'll explain a little bit more on the copper. Also, now the 3% peroxide, we're not going to mix this in the product. We're going to use this after showering to cleanse the area before putting on this solution, and after the solution we're going to use this to cleanse it off. So this is the ingredients, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, share and comment, and if you're new here, please subscribe. So let's get right into it. This is a measuring cup, and you have 1 part and 2 parts, right? So I'm gonna use 1 part nutmeg. So this is the nutmeg. So this is 1 part nutmeg. So when I mean 1 part, you can use tablespoon or you can use teaspoon. And this is the rice powder. So I'm going to use 2 part rice powder. So if you don't have a measuring cup like this, you can use a teaspoon. So you'll use 2 teaspoons and 1 teaspoon nutmeg. And this is the honey. If you don't have any honey, you can use carrot juice, and I don't mean carrot juice with water, just carrot juice itself. And then this is the copper. We can just use 1 part copper. So this is 1 part copper. Now be careful how you buy your honey, because what I notice now, I have to be careful how I buy honey, right? Because they're mixing the honey with too much sugar to make it a quantity. So be careful how you buy the honey. And this is what the solution look like. And remember, I do not use any water. This is what it looks like. I don't use any water. I'm going to rub the solution right here. I'm using my hand, but if I had a client, I would use, if I I'm using my hand, but if I have a client, I would use a gloves to rub it there, because some people are heavy in weight and can't do it themselves, and some people just want the pampering. And you leave this at least for 25 minutes. You can lie down or you can sit down. And it have a nice scrub like feeling, good for exfoliation. I'm also going to use some of this on my face because I'm mixing enough. After I'm finished, I'm going to use some on my face, so it's good for the face also. It's also good to give a body scrub, but especially for this area, if you want something for this area and not a cream to burn up your skin, you can use this. So after I scrub it like that for about 5 minutes or 10, I put on some more and I leave this on. If you have hairy skin and hair always grow here, do it in a downward movement. Must be downward movement. So if you know you have hair grow all these places, you do it in a downward movement. The reason why you do it in a downward movement, when you rotate like this, what would happen is that it confuses the hair in the hair papilla and it won't know how to grow, so it stay there and give you hair bumps. So you have to do it in a downward movement or upward movement. Downward or upward. I don't have any hair here, so that's why I was doing a rotary movement. But once you have hair grow at these places, do it in a downward movement. And if you want to get wild and put it all over your leg, no problem. But this is how you get away dark spot.